Well, it's a hot, humid day in South Central Kentucky, and I've been in here doing a little work on a food plot. I've not been able to get in here and mow this plot all year, and it had quite a bit of horseweed in some areas that were kind of thin in clover that had overseeded last year, and I didn't want that stuff to seed out, and I couldn't get a mower in here, so I just came in with my weed eater and knocked this stuff down. You can see it kind of laying on the ground here. That clover will come back through there and it'll start looking like the rest of this plot. I mean, this is a beautiful clover field. Probably my favorite part about this field is this screen here. That's Alamo switch that was frost seeded. January was 1 year ago, and there's quite a bit of it that's over 6 foot tall. I mean, I'm 5'9", and you can see here it's over my head. Unfortunately, there's some loggers in here, and they're using my Alamo switch as a logging yard. This stuff right here is probably, this bunch right here is pushing, I mean, it's leaning over a little bit because it's seeding out, but the seed heads are probably 8 foot high, and that's only a little over a year old. So this stuff will really come onto its own here in a couple years. And what it does, forces the deer in one end of the plot, and then they feed around right in front of my blind, which is right there behind another screen of switchgrass. So I can duck right in the back side of there, hunt, duck right out the back, after the hunt's over, head out the back side. So great food plot strategy. Allows me to get in and get out without busting deer. I never hunt this in the morning. There's no way not to bust deer then, but in the evenings I can get in and get out and not worry about bumping deer out of this food plot. So good luck.